How to watch live football on YouTube TV while abroad. YouTube TV is primarily available within the United States and is geo-restricted for viewers outside the country. However, if you're traveling abroad and wish to access live football games through YouTube TV, you can use a virtual private network, a VPN, to bypass these restrictions. Here's how. Step number 1, choose a reliable VPN service. Select a reputable VPN provider with multiple US servers and strong streaming capabilities. Some popular options include NordVPN, ExpressVPN, and Surfshark. Step number 2, install the VPN application. Download and install the VPN app on your device. Ensure compatibility with your operating system. Step number 3, connect to a US server. Open the VPN application and log in with your credentials. From the server list, choose a server located in the United States. Establish a connection to obtain a US IP address. Step number 4, access YouTube TV. Once connected to the US server, navigate to the YouTube TV website or open the YouTube TV app. Sign in with your YouTube TV account credentials. Step number 5, watch live football games. Browse the available channels broadcasting live football games such as ESPN, Fox Sports, NBC Sports, CBS Sports. Select the desired channel to start streaming live football content.